In which year was the Janani Suraksha Yojna JSY launched in India? A. 2004, B. 2010, C. 1998, D. 2005. And the correct answer is D. 2005. Janani Suraksha Yojna was launched in India in 2005. It is a Government of India initiative to reduce maternal and neonatal mortality. It provides financial assistance to pregnant women for institutional deliveries. In which year was the Mental Health Act first enacted in India? A. 1961, B. 1972, C. 1987, D. 1996. And the correct answer is C. 1987. The Mental Health Act was first enacted in India in 1987. In which year was smallpox officially declared eradicated in India? A. 1979, B. 1980, C. 1984, D. 1977. And the correct answer is D. 1977. Smallpox was officially declared eradicated in India in 1977. World Health Organization declared world free from smallpox in the year A. May 8, 1980, B. August 25, 1985, C. March 12, 1992, D. July 25, 1987. And the correct answer is A. May 8, 1980. World Health Organization declared world free from smallpox in the year 1980. First case of AIDS was detected in India in the year A. 1987, B. 1986, C. 1985, D. 1978. And the correct answer is B. 1986. First case of AIDS was detected in India in the year 1986. National Rural Health Mission was launched in the year A. April 1992, B. April 2005, C. September 2011, D. April 2007. And the correct answer is B. April 2005. National Rural Health Mission was launched in the year 2005. The Indian Nursing Council Act, which regulates nursing education and practice in India, was enacted in which year? A. 1947, B. 1952, C. 1948, D. 1964. And the correct answer is A. 1947. The Indian Nursing Council Act was enacted in the year 1947. Which of the following is the correct date of Florence Nightingale's death? A. August 13th, 1910, B. May 12th, 2020, C. November 4th, 1854, D. March 1st, 2014. And the correct answer is A. August 13th, 1910. Florence Nightingale died on 13th August 1910. In which year was the Consumer Protection Act enacted in India? A. 1986, B. 1991, C. 2002, D. 2010. And the correct answer is A. 1986. The Consumer Protection Act was enacted in India in the year 1986. When was the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act enacted in India? A. 1965, B. 1978, C. 1985, D. 1989. And the correct answer is C. 1985. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was enacted in India in the year 1985. In which year was the Employees State Insurance Act launched in India? A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1952, D. 1976. And the correct answer is B. 1948. The ESI Act was launched in India in the year 1948. In which year was the Employees State Insurance Corporation founded in India? A. 1952, B. 1897, C. 1997, D. 2003. And the correct answer is A. 1952. ESIC was founded in India in the year 1952. In which year was the Integrated Child Development Services launched in India? A. 1972, B. 1975, C. 1985, D. 2001. And the correct answer is B. 1975. The Integrated Child Development Services was launched in India in the year 1975. The Bhore Committee was set up by the Government of India in which year? A. 1935, B. 1943, C. 1952, D. 1963. And the correct answer is B. 1943. The Bhore Committee was set up by the Government of India in the year 1943. In which year did the Bhore Committee submit its report in India? A. 1935, B. 1943, C. 1946, D. 1952. And the correct answer is C. 1946. The Bhore Committee submitted its report in India in the year 1946. In which year was the Universal Immunization Program launched in India? A. 1947, B. 1952, C. 1978, D. 1985. And the correct answer is D. 1985. The Universal Immunization Program was launched in India in the year 1985. In which year was the Alma Ata Conference held? A. 1947, B. 1958, C. 1978, D. 1985. And the correct answer is C. 1978. The Alma Ata Conference was held in the year 1978. In which year was the Reproductive and Child Health Program launched in India? A. 1985, B. 1992, C. 1997, D. 2003. And the correct answer is C. 1997. The Reproductive and Child Health Program was launched in India in the year 1997. Epidemic Diseases Act was launched in the year A. 1985, B. 1897, C. 1997, D. 2003. And the correct answer is B. 1897. Epidemic Diseases Act was launched in the year 1897. Bharat Sevak Samaj was established in the year A. 1952, B. 1897, C. 1997, D. 2003. And the correct answer is A. 1952. Bharat Sevak Samaj was established in the year 1952. Indian Council for Child Welfare was established in the year A. 1952, B. 1897, C. 1997, D. 2003. And the correct answer is A. 1952. Indian Council for Child Welfare was established in the year 1952. In which year was the Applied Nutrition Program introduced in India? A. 1955, B. 1962, C. 1970, D. 1963. And the correct answer is D. 1963. The Applied Nutrition Program was introduced in India in the year 1963. In which year was the National TB Control Program launched in India? A. 1947, B. 1952, C. 1962, D. 1985. And the correct answer is C. 1962. The National TB Control Program was launched in India in the year 1962. In which year was the Tuberculosis Association of India established? A. 1947, B. 1952, C. 1939, D. 1985. And the correct answer is C. 1939. The Tuberculosis Association of India was established in the year 1939. In which year was the All India Women's Conference founded? A. 1927, B. 1952, C. 1939, D. 1985. And the correct answer is A. 1927. The All India Women's Conference was founded in the year 1927. According to Census of India, which year is called as the Year of the Great Divide? A. 1947, B. 1921, C. 1965, D. 1977. And the correct answer is B. 1921. According to Census of India, the year 1921 is called the Year of the Great Divide. In which year was the National Malaria Control Program launched in India? A. 1947, B. 1953, C. 1965, D. 1977. And the correct answer is B. 1953. The National Malaria Control Program was launched in India in the year 1953. In which year was the Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program launched in India? A. 1995, B. 1962, C. 1978, D. 1992. And the correct answer is D. 1992. CSSM program was launched in India in the year 1992. In which year was the Food Adulteration Act passed in India? A. 1952, B. 1965, C. 1978, D. 1954. And the correct answer is Drop your answers in the comment section below. For downloading PDF content and for latest updates, follow our Telegram channel. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.